So find other ways to stay cool. We still need that.
Right. Maybe a little while before Barton Springs is back in shape. And we have more rain falling today, but again, this isn't the kind of rain that we saw with Tropical Storm Hermine, so we're not looking for any flooding problems today. Let me show you exactly where it is raining right now on our storm profiler radar. There are very widely scattered showers, but if you're underneath one, you're getting a pretty good downpour. Let's just start down in the southeast and work our way back up to the northwest. Rain in the Schulenburg area right now. That activity moving off to the west and northwest. Could get over there to Flatonia before too long. Back up in western Fayette County, not much. Up here in Bastrop County, we have some showers and pretty moderate to heavy downpours there south of Cedar Creek, south of the Page area. Let's head over here to the west in northern Caldwell County, northwest of Dale, southeast of Niederwald, a little bit north of Kyle, west of Buda, in South Austin and southwest Austin, Manchac, Oak Hill, Highway 290 and Highway 71 there along and west of the southwest Austin, Oak Hill Y area. South shore of Lake Travis, Briarcliff. Let's not miss northeast Travis County. That's a pretty heavy downpour there north of Manor, up toward the Copeland area. Let's head on up to the northwest. Got a lot of them today, don't we? Near Leander, that's a pretty good downpour just west of Liberty Hill. Up the Highland Lake, south of Marble Falls, Horseshoe Bay, a little shower. Kingsland, Buchanan Dam. And let's just zoom out here a little bit and we'll see in the hill country west of Llano and northern Burnett County. Wow, that's a lot. We have a really great view of these showers on our tower camera live for you, our tower cam right over Westlake Hills. And now you're looking back to the northwest. That's that activity that's up there not too far from Manor. Let's pan back toward the city. Off in the distance there, you see the activity we showed you on the radar down southeast of Austin. And if we pan back a little bit farther to the south, there's a little shower going up right there over I-35 down there around Buda. And there's some rain off in the distance. Look at that rain off there down to the southwest. That's what we showed you there over southwest Travis County. You can actually see the rain shafts there. And then back to the west, there's another shower. That's the activity that we showed you off to the west, out to the south of the Lake Travis area. Look at that. Looks like some real heavy downpours off there in the distance. Maybe even a cloud-to-ground lightning strike or two once these really get going. And now that's pretty much due west there, and you can see the activity off to the west and southwest of the Westlake Hills area. Wow, that's pretty neat, isn't it? It's 92 right now in the city. We don't have any rain falling in town. 87 at 8 o'clock tonight, and at 10 p.m. all the rain will be out of here and we'll be back down into the low 80s. Right now, if you've got some rain in the area, you might be in the 80s. If you don't, you're still in the 90s. And if you're not around one of those rain showers, it feels even hotter. 104 degrees is the current heat index out at the airport. 102 in Bastrop, 102 down in Lockhart, 104 in San Marcos. Cloudy at 92 at Mabry, and mostly cloudy at 92 degrees also out at ABIA. Winds are south-southeasterly and east-southeasterly at less than 10 miles per hour. Sunsets at 7:37 tonight. Getting a little earlier every night. Mold count high today. No surprise there. Fall elm and ragweed, medium. Mold count may even go a little higher tomorrow. Fall elm and ragweed should stay in the medium category. Around Texas right now, low 90s in most locations, upper 80s over there around Houston. Have a very strong onshore flow from the Gulf right now thanks to high pressure over the southeast. That's what's helping to generate our showers today. We could see one or two tomorrow, probably not as many as we saw today and then day after tomorrow. And for most of the rest of the week, we should stay pretty dry. That is until a little system out here in the Caribbean starts heading into the Gulf of Mexico. National Hurricane Center says there's a chance this could turn into a tropical depression, maybe even a tropical storm. A couple of models want to make it a hurricane and take it across the Yucatan Peninsula into the Bay of Campeche. Could bring moisture, but doesn't look like a direct landfall in our area. There's Igor, big Category 4 hurricane. The good news about Igor is he should track to the northwest. And now Bermuda could be threatened, but it doesn't look like right now the eastern U.S. will be threatened by this very powerful and dangerous hurricane. That's Tropical Storm Julia. Julia should track off to the northwest and stay over the open waters of the Atlantic. Okay, let's get back here home to our home area for the local weather tonight. Mid-70s. Tomorrow, let's go mid-90s. No change. Tonight, 76. Tomorrow, a lot like today, hot, humid, and then maybe an afternoon shower popping up. The chance tomorrow, only 10%. After tomorrow, I think it's just hot and humid. It's very summer-like Wednesday, Thursday. Now, we will begin to see that tropical moisture I showed you in the Caribbean start working its way up in here, and that'll give us a slight chance of showers from the weekend into early next week.